Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to delete a Google Chrome saved password. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, click on this three dot button on your Google Chrome on your right side corner and click on settings over here. After open settings window, click on autofill and passwords from your left side over here. Now click on Google Password Manager. Now here you will create all your passwords. So what you have to do, you just need to click on that password or link which you want to delete from your computer. And here you can see your username and password, and you can view from here, and you can also delete from here. So I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.